Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Class of 2021 virtual celebration. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Chris Tweed, head of the Welsh School of Architecture, and I'm absolutely delighted that you've been able to join us today to celebrate your time here at Cardiff University and to mark this momentous point in your lives. I hope that wherever you're watching today, you're able to take some time to reflect on what you have achieved and to celebrate with your family, friends, and loved ones. It has been a tough couple of years for all of us, and you should be extremely proud of the hard work and determination that you've shown during this time, as well as the sacrifices that you've made to get to this point today. Though it is unfortunate we're not able to get together as a school and celebrate as we normally would during graduation week, I'm extremely pleased that we were able to bring all of you together in some way, albeit virtually. Of course, while we have been outside of the Butte building, the building contractors have been busy creating a fantastic refurbished home for the school with revamped studios, a big central exhibition space, new workshop facilities, and a brand new living lab. Those of you returning to the school will have a chance to see the finished work later this year. And even if you're not returning to study, you're very welcome to visit. We would love to see you. I'm also pleased to let you know that the school hosted an RIBA visiting board earlier this month and was awarded a further 5 years of unconditional validation for its 3 accredited programs. The BSc, which is part 1, the MArch, part 2, and the Diploma in Professional Practice, which is part 3. This recognition underpins the value of the award you're receiving today. At the end of this virtual celebration event, there will be an opportunity for you to watch messages of congratulations from staff in the school and supporters. And I'll give you details of that later on. So for now, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the celebration. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Helo, a chroeso cynnes i ddosbarth 2021. Teulu a ffrindiau, staff ac unfyfyrwyr. Fi yw'r Athro Colin Reardon, clywydd ac Ysgol Cechlor, Prifysgol Caerdydd. Hello and a warm welcome to our celebration today. I'm Professor Colin Reardon, President and Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. Thank you to the class of 2021, to friends and family, and to staff and alumni for joining us for this virtual celebration. Graduation's the highlight of the university calendar. It's a time to mark your achievements and to reflect on your time here with us at Cardiff. We wanted to celebrate now to mark your special moment. We also look forward to an in-person ceremony when we can do that here in Cardiff with friends, family, your school, and all of the pomp and circumstance you'd expect. As everybody knows, in the last 18 months, we faced challenges on a scale that we haven't seen since the Second World War. In a world we could never have predicted, Cardiff University has had to change everything we do, from teaching, research and exams, to our accommodation and libraries. We've also had to adapt quickly throughout this time based on how the coronavirus itself was changing and circulating in our communities. The whole of our Cardiff University community, including you, our students and our staff, have had to work hard together to stay as safe as possible and to continue our journeys of learning and discovery. There now appears to be light at the end of the tunnel thanks to our amazing vaccination programme and the incredible restraint and maturity you have all shown. Indeed, throughout the pandemic, you, our students, have been quite wonderful. I'm so grateful for the patience and understanding you've shown, and I'm very proud of your willingness, determination and tenacity. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd. Thank you all very much. Of course, Cardiff University has a long history of remaining resilient in the face of adversity and coming through the other side even stronger. This pandemic will be another milestone in our history, and you, the extraordinary class of 2021, will be a central part of that. A Cardiff University degree is a fantastic achievement, and you've taken yours at a time of extraordinary events. It must have been very challenging to have your time here at Cardiff so altered by coronavirus. But I hope coming to university here has given you more than a degree. I hope it's given you great friends and special memories. There are so many opportunities whilst you study with us. You might have joined a students' union club or society, volunteered or spent time abroad, or indeed done all three. You may have helped a housemate, championed a cause, or started a new hobby. Whatever shape your own story has taken, I hope that the Cardiff University experience and values will stay with you forever. Today you join the Cardiff University alumni community of over 175,000 graduates. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles, others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. But in all cases, a real hallmark of our Cardiff family is kindness and generosity of spirit. I encourage you to bring Cardiff's values wherever life takes you. Bring your passion for learning, your commitment to community, and your compassion and kindness to everything you do. It may not be easy at this juncture, but just as you've done during your time at Cardiff, I know you'll embrace future challenges with courage and determination. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, of memories. We hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Please do stay in touch. Come and visit us often and act as an ambassador for Cardiff wherever your life takes you, because Cardiff will always be your university. For now, I hope you'll celebrate with your families, friends, loved ones and your schools, and I look forward to seeing you here in Cardiff next year so we can celebrate your achievements in person. Congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau. I wish you all every success.
My name is Mallory Williams, and I will now read the Class of 2021 proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodaeth. Gadewch chi holl aelodau'r Brifysgol a ledled y byd wybod bod cynulliad rhythwyr yn digwydd heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru ac ar-lein. Rydym yn cwrdd ar-lein I gydnabod myfyrwyr 2021. Rydym yn dathlu llwyddiant pob myfyriwr yn y cynulliad rhythwyr hwn a drwy wneud hynny yn ei hatgoffa o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. I cyfrifoldeb nhw yw ceisio drwy llwyddiannau i wasanaethu ar lles pawb, i ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhopeth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Rhowch sylw i ddoethineb am ei fod yn cynnig gobeith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales and online, a virtual congregation is taking place. We meet online to acknowledge our class of 2021 students. We celebrate the success of all students in this virtual congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence in all things and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
So, to the class of 2021 at Cardiff University, my warmest congratulations on your success. Llongyfarchion mawr I chi gyd. Today marks the end of a special chapter in your lives and the beginning of a very exciting new chapter. Now, to get to this point is already a significant achievement, and gaining a degree in such challenging circumstances should be a matter of great pride to you all. So allow yourselves to bask in the praise of family and friends. As we all know, the pandemic has had a devastating impact on many millions of lives, and the effects will be with us for years to come. But I'm confident that you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. I hate to say this, it was 1983 when I attended my own graduation ceremony in Cardiff. It's a very long time ago. But some things have not changed. Cardiff is still a very special city. It's a capital city, a great home for students, and you will all, I hope, remember your time in Cardiff with great fondness. Advice. Well, my only advice to you is to be ambitious, to be fair and kind in your dealings with people, and to work hard in your quest to succeed in life. Many congratulations once again, llongyfarchion mawr, and best wishes for the future.
Shemai. Hello. I'm Hannah Doe, the Students' Union President for 2021-22. It has been my honour to be your Vice President Education this past year, through what has been a challenging time. Whilst for many, this has not been the end of the experience you had in mind. However, do remind yourself that your sacrifice this year has helped rebuild the UK and beyond. I want to congratulate each of you on your hard work, determination, and dedication throughout your degree, and thank you for your contributions to the Cardiff University community. We know that for the Students' Union, we wouldn't be able to deliver our services without the endless hours given by volunteers, or through your engagement, so thank you to everyone who has served on a committee, voted in elections, engaged in campaigns, and attended SU nights. Today is the closing of a chapter and the opening of another. You now have the opportunity to show the world what a Cardiff graduate is capable of, and become a part of the Cardiff Alumni Network, which lives on forever, amongst many others who you will cross paths with in your life. Each and every one of you has had a unique and individual university experience. This is what makes you the graduate that you are today. We have been through a lot together, both difficult and wonderful times. You have all worked so hard to get to this point, and that has not been unnoticed. You have learnt so much, and your journey through education has not come to an end. There are so many more opportunities ahead in life to learn more. Class of 2021, I wish you all the best for the future. I can't wait to see what you get up to, and once again, congratulations on all your achievements.
As head of the Welsh School of Architecture, I am honoured to acknowledge and celebrate you, our class of 2021. This is the part of the virtual celebration where our students' names are read out and you will appear on screen. I strongly encourage you to celebrate and cheer for each other. And you're going to have to do it very loudly this year because we're not in the same room. Your class of 2021 classmates will be alongside you. And if you are with your families, friends, and supporters, please get them to join in with the events. This is a time for celebration. And so I, Christopher Tweed, will now read the names of our class of 2021. Ahmed, Temiloluwa Akinsanmi, Taima Aldibiat, Eleni Alexandru, Alessandro Alfieri, Tala Al-Shwaymat, Alejandra Alvarez Gutierrez, Charlotte Amos, Victoria Angelova, Desislava Asanova, Diksha Audukuri, Andrea Vesnici, Mohammed bin Ab Razak, Mihail Bradinov, Alice Brooks, Ursula Bushi, Gwyneth Chan, Kay Chu, Nazifa Chowdhury, Miltiadis, Philippos Christodoulakos, Aaron Kuhn, Arno Decourt, Evie Dixon, Susanna Foster. Maria Fortuna, Mithila Ganasuryar, Yara Gandor, Matthew Gibson, Evangelia Glenthey, Jordan Grady, Timothy Gwilt, Alexander Hanotu, Ludian Harapai, Joseph Hendry, Man Ho, Jasmine Hounslow, Cecilia Huang, Gulhan Ibrahimov, Fotieni Ionidi, Joe James, Catherine Jacks, Harriet Johnson, Priyansha Kamdar, Elias Cliff, Gemma Kitely, Petar Kirilov, Ka Kong, Alexandra Konopka, Nikita Ladd. I now warmly welcome you to unmute yourselves and cheer and clap for each other. Rebecca Lehman, Nok Lung, Rachel Livesey, Rowan Luckman, Narmina Madova, Fitun Madi, Jennifer Maret, Yulia Margolina, Jamie Masters, Declan McConway, Arifa Mohammed Arifin, Megan Mercer, Anna Moldovan, Jessica Moody, Kirtana Nair, Jo Young, Nurul Oxus, Kelvin Osei Tutu, Priyan Patel, Vasiliki Pitsili, Loic Paul, James Pope, Yulia Popescu, Grace Reeve, Madeline Rogers. Please unmute yourselves and cheer and clap for each other. Bogomila Semerdieva, Jessica Simpson, Valeria Slahova, Alexandra Smith, Oliver Smith, Sophie Smith, Jasmine Soleil Montage, Zhijian Song, John Staviarsky, Daniel Stone, Qinying Tan, Ling Tang, Morgan Taylor, Carlos Thompsons, Claudia Tunaru, Chayapa Udompu Titkul, Bernadette Vos, Kalina Verachanska, George Wood, Tianchu Wu, Nachaya Yansing Vorachai, Wanhua Zhu, Junal Barboza, Yasmut Boer, Natalia Kracheva. Please unmute yourselves and cheer very loudly and clap for each other. Carlton Howard, Madeline Howell, Joshua Highland, Ryan Jakes, Shannon Kamala Neeson, Paulina Konopachka, Ekaterini Papa, Christopher Rooney, Marisa Savides, Matthew Stubbs, Atiche Taskiran, Yon Valencia Cortez, Faye Williams, Mohammed Alam, Shayev Taful, Usman Awan, Noor Al-Hashem, Malini Karani, Ming Young She, Chao Chen, Yutao Feng, Si Yuan Guo, Sheyang Lai, Janche Liu, Pirapat Sinkalvanich, Shixung Wu. Please unmute yourselves and clap and cheer for each other. Kong Shui Jing, Jifei Ye, Ganqi Yin, Xingyi Zhang, Baijun Zhu, Sonakshi Dongre, Kamal Haddad, Merin Densel, Mirafadi Fawal, Kaiwan Li, Safaya Kasim, Adam Tucker, Kaiming Wang, Zhui Yang, Guillermo Probst, Alexandra Middlemas. Please unmute yourselves and cheer and clap loudly for each other. Natalia Nowinska, Paul Hayes, Yunfan Zhang, Meda Barbaria, Shaheen Hussain, Snehal Khandelwal, Malik Rahal, Manisha Krishnan Ravikrishnan, Semran Mahajan, Diana Belamorska, Kian Ishida, Molly Nash. Please unmute yourselves and clap and cheer for each other. This concludes the acknowledgement of our class of 2021. As a school, we applaud you all. Diolch yn fawr. I am now pleased to introduce a video featuring some of Cardiff's wonderful alumni community.
You came to Cardiff. You worked. You played. You cried. You laughed. And you learned. From Butte Building to Butte Park, from Talabont to the Tav, you made memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. Caerdydd, dyma oedd a dyma fydd eich campws, eich cymuned, eich cartref.
We made lifelong friends and we're still in touch, we still have reunions. And I have to say, of course, I met my husband in Cardiff.
I turned up in Cardiff in October of 1979, a very different city to what it is today. Student life in Cardiff then and now was great fun.
Cardiff University ranks as, one of the top universities in engineering, so here it's the only university I applied for actually.
I made some of my best friends from the people I met in Cardiff. We still travel together, we went on vacation together, we enjoyed nightlife in Shanghai together.
Cardiff University, this is where I came to do my undergraduate degree. This is where I grew up.
And Cardiff is a young city and an eclectic city. If you ever wanted to do it all over again, I don't think I would ever want to study anywhere other than Cardiff.
Cardiff gave me the opportunity to explore. I learned about how to be independent and how to be resilient.
It was a week we played England in 2013 and beat them in Cardiff. England came for the Grand Slam in Cardiff and we blew them off the park. I sat my finals that week.
It's time now to mark your moment. You've worked so hard, overcome so much, and discovered amazing things together. Things change. We face challenges. We grow. And wherever you are, wherever you may go, Cardiff will always be a part of you. Cofiwch am eich amser yn Ysgol Caerdydd, gydag hoffter a hiraeth yn eich calon. Today, you become Cardiff alumni, ready to shape the world with your resilience, talent, and dreams.
I have never looked back in terms of what I knew I could do. I left with a confidence that I had a technical training that was second to none.
Your time at university is what shapes most people.
Cherish your time, cherish the friendship, cherish your study. You will miss it.
I think the experience doesn't stop with graduation.
And the world needs every great idea that you have, and it needs every great story that you have told.
Always carry with you the good values of being kind to people, being honest to people.
And you'll do your bit to make the world a better place.
Certainly without Cardiff, I wouldn't be where I am today. There's no doubt about that.
Today we celebrate your achievements. And we also look to the future, when we can see you in person to say, Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations.
Hey guys, congratulations.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
恭喜大家，毕业快乐
Congratulations.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
Cardiff is so proud of you. Croeso. Welcome to our alumni community.
This brings the 2021 Virgil celebration to a close. Thank you so much again for joining us today. It has been wonderful to see so many of our class of 2021 here today, and I'm sure, just like me, it has made you feel very proud to be part of the Cardiff University community. I hope you'll continue to feel part of that community. We now invite you all to visit our school's Flipgrid pages where you can watch congratulatory videos from staff, alumni, and friends of the university. An access code to your Flipgrid will appear at the end of this broadcast. So from everybody in the Welsh School of Architecture, congratulations once again on your remarkable achievements. And I look forward to seeing you all at our graduation ceremonies next year.